Hey guys, doing a little thing right now. Always projects, like I always say. Alright, got a Craftsman, I think it's a 26 gallon or 21 gallon, probably 26, probably 30, 29, something like that. Anyway, it has a seal problem. So I am breaking it down, which is literally breaking it, as you see, because my bolts would not come out. And I'm going to rebuild this. I got a little rebuild kit right here. Let's see. Sweating to death. Got me a little piston, little cylinder, some valve seals, well, not valve seals, excuse me, gaskets for everything to seal it up with, and some instructions in there. So I'm working on that and trying to see how fast or slow I can do this, because I would like to have a second compressor and maybe a third one day and get rid of these other two, because they work, but I need a bigger one. So let's get to it. Alright, like I was saying, it is a 30 gallon 150 psi 6 horsepower, so it was really difficult to find a rebuild kit on eBay because I wasn't sure. I didn't have a whole lot of information on it. I'll give you all the information at the end, but starting out, I'm loosening up this air hose. And then I'm going to pop these bolts off. After that, I'm going to pop this little doohickey off right here for the fan and get to that rod. So, popping all this off. Alright, popped all that off. Now I've got this little thing here that's loose. So I'm going to try and figure out the right way to pop this thing off and get it off here. Which looks like I'm going to be pulling this off. So I'll pull that off and hopefully this whole thing pops off like I need it to. So let's get to it. So, after looking at that and making a failed attempt, look up here and there is a star bit. So let me get a star bit and take that out. Alright, so that was a Torx 25 that took that off. Here's my old pieces, my old cylinder. Here's my new pieces, my new cylinder. Oh, here's the cover. We're going to be replacing some of these little gaskets in here and clean this up. It's got foam all in it, so pretty nasty looking. So let's get this together and make sure it works real quick. got that in there with a seal. The Torx bit screw back in there. I'm going to line it all up and then tighten it down. So let's get back to it. Alright, now that we've officially got it put back together, other than the cover, I'm going to turn it on and see if this thing will hold air good. So, let's try that. Let me move this. All right. So it works. It's holding 125 psi. It used to leak really bad through the intake right here. It would leak horribly. The compressor is quite loud. I don't know how loud it's supposed to be, but for this type of Craftsman, this is the part that I found, K0648 on eBay, and it works. I reused one gasket, which was the piston ring, because the other piston ring didn't look like it was going to fit very well. So other than that, it works, it runs, it's good. The whole thing is a lot better than it used to be, because otherwise right now you'd hear a hissing sound and it would leak horribly quickly. So it's a little how-to slash look at what you can do with $30 of parts off eBay for a compressor that's worth, what, $200 maybe? So it works. It's there. You can do some things with it. Can't do everything with it. But combined, two of these would do great. So I need a 60 gallon or an 80 gallon. I got more work to do. So now that we've finished the air compressor, we're going to see how it works later. But as of right now, if you like this video, let me know. Don't like this video, let me know. Continue to tune in for other things, other little projects, other things that I mess up on or slash can possibly fix. But until next time, appreciate it.